we are going to Now we are going to see the example program for array. So to run an array, I am going to get into my DOS prompt. I have used JDK 1.8. So how to use the Java environment? Already I have I can see some other videos which has already been posted. And now I am going to open. I have made my environment clear. That is, I can run a program over here. And now what I am going to do is I am going to open my uh, notepad. Okay, I am going to open a new notepad and I have typed this program. Okay, I have typed this program. I'll change the font also. Format font, if you want font, it can be. Okay, this is. I'll increase the size also. Okay, this is what the program I have written, and it's a test array I have created, and this statement is called as comment statement. And I have declared the variable over here, that is array variable, and I have stored 4 value. So I haven't given the size, but since I have instantiated here itself, since I have initialized here itself, the array will take up the value of 1, 2, 3, 4. So size of array will be 4. And since I have not specified the size, I need to take up the length of the array. So I have to check the length of the array and I have to print. Okay, now I am going to print here. Okay, so this program I need to save first. So file, save, and I am going to take my location, and inside this class videos Java program, and I'm going to save it with the location. The name of the program here is test array 1. Since we know that the program name as well as the class name should be the same, I'm going to save it as dot. Okay, I'm going to, and the file type we have to give all files and give. Okay, we give save. Now after this, what you have to give is you have saved that program, and now you have to execute the program. So now I am going to execute as Java C. The program name is test, capital letter, test array 1 dot Java. Okay, test array 1 dot. So I need to set the path. Okay, I need to set the path cd. I have to go to colon slash cd, take up the path, colon slash video, then Java program. Okay, colon cd slash videos slash cd Java VGL. Right? Okay, cd slash videos slash Java. And now I have to set the path set. Path is equal to, I have to copy this, paste it here, set the path. You have set the path, now you just check whether it is. Now I have to run the program. So Java C, since I have stored the program over there, I am going to run the program Java C. Program name is test array 1 dot Java. Okay. Compile. Now I am going to execute the program. test array 1. It displays the value what we have given. See, it displays here. So it displays 33, 3, 4, 5. Now, in the program I am doing slight modification. I am going to print some dot, out dot, println of array length is equal to plus a dot. Okay, I'm giving like this. Now I have to save the file, then again go to my dash prompt, compile it, no error, so I can run the program. So array length is equal to 4. This is for the array program. Similarly, you can create single dimensional as well as two dimensional array. Now here we have created the array, and inside the loop if you want to print each and everything, you can give like this. And if you want to pass the array to a method also, you can pass. Okay. Now there will be an exception created when you are going to use an array program. So what is this exception means? You will be using one thing, that is, whenever you are declaring an array, okay, whenever you are going to declare an array, at that situation, uh, you will be having a certain exception erased in your program. When it will be erased means, for example, if you are created an array of length 5, and if you are calling the sixth element, you have created an array of length 5, and if you are calling the sixth element, then automatically what happens means it will not give you the sixth element, because the sixth element will not be available over there, because you have declared an array with 5 values only, 5 space only, 5 size. Then if you are calling the sixth element, definitely it will not give you a value. Such conditions are called as array index out of bounds exception. So your Java will throw you the array index out of bounds exception. So public class test array exception, if you give like this, and if you are less than or equal to array length you have declared, and if you want to give your next element, we are going to give your next element after this, you have declared 50, 60, 70, 80, and if you want to declare another element over here, and if you print, definitely it will show you an error of array index out of bounds exception. Okay.